In today's video, let's quickly learn the way that you log in to your account of Dailymotion. There are two ways that you can log into your account using the website of dailymotion.com, or you can also use the app. If you're only trying to watch videos and you don't upload videos, you can easily use the app of Dailymotion because uploading and looking at stats or the studio platform is not available on the app. So if your goal is to only watch videos, you can easily use the app. Open up the app of Dailymotion once you've downloaded onto your phone. Type in the email address that you use while signing up. If you've not used your email address and instead you've used your Google account, you can tap on the Google option. This way you can just select the Google account that you used while creating your account and you will be instantly logged in. If not, type in your email address and then tap on continue. In the next section, you need to type in the password that you created while signing up. If you've forgotten your password, tap on the forgot password link. This way, a password reset link will be sent to the email address from where you'll be able to reset your password. If you do remember it, type it in and then tap on continue. If the details that you've entered are correct, you'll be immediately logged in to your account of Dailymotion. I do hope this guide video was helpful to you. If it was, be sure to subscribe. That's going to be all for today. I'm going to see you guys in the next one.